federal court dismisses the cases against James Comey and Letitia James. The court said that the Attorney General's attempt to install Ms. Halligan as interim U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia was invalid. It said that Halligan was unlawfully appointed without Senate confirmation, disqualifies Halligan, and the indictments issued are therefore not valid. All actions flowing from Halligan are invalid. Now, with James Comey's case, remember both of these cases were dismissed without prejudice, which means that these cases can be brought again. But in the case of James Comey, there is a good argument that James Comey's time for indictment for a crime, the statute of limitations, which is 5 years, has already passed. And that's why you saw the Donald Trump's regime and Pam Bondi's DOJ being so fast and callous about putting somebody in that New Jersey office so they could indict James Comey before the statute of limitations expired. But now the statute of limitations for James Comey has expired. So whether they can bring another case against Comey or not is suspect. They most likely will not be able to file a new case against James Comey. What they can do is appeal this case and say the dismissal was incorrect. With the case of Letitia James, the statute of limitations has not run, which means because the case was dismissed without prejudice, it means that the DOJ can again bring a case against Letitia James. Mind you, the reasoning for which these particular cases were dismissed was because the appointment of the executing Attorney General, the interim U.S. Attorney in the Eastern District of Virginia, was invalid because she didn't go through the processes of Senate confirmation. It is not about the actual material, the merits of the case, which James Comey and Letitia James still maintain are big products of vindictive political prosecution. And this is something that will come up again because I don't see Donald Trump's regime or Pam Bondi's DOJ just giving up on Letitia James, seeing as how she was the only one who could secure 35 or 34 felony indictments. I think it was her. Was it her or was it Alvin Bragg? I think it was Alvin Bragg. I don't know. Either way, Donald Trump is going to try to go after Letitia James because she sued Donald Trump and she indicted Donald Trump. And in any case, it is a matter of vindictive and political prosecution, which is not a reason for which you can prosecute your political opponents. With that said, keep your eyes on the DOJ and Pam Bondi, among for other reasons for this as well, because I don't think that this is the end of it. I think they're going to try to revive the Letitia James, they're going to try to revive the James Comey case through appeal, and they're going to file again a case against Letitia James if they can properly install somebody in the Eastern District of Virginia. Thank you for listening. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.